In this video we will look into the use case for processing invoice that is being sent by client in the mail and then store specific data from invoice in the Excel sheet. Let's check out the demonstration. So as you can see at the left side, we have our unread emails that we get from our customers. These emails have attached invoices, which we will be storing on the shown folder. After the attachment are downloaded, they will be processed one by one and the data will be stored in shown Excel file. Now let's start the process. As we can see, all the emails status has been changed from unread to read. All the attachment have been stored in the given folder. Now each file in the folder will be processed one by one, and the data will be stored in the Excel file. Let's check out the Excel file that has been generated with data that we processed from each of the invoices. We have stored mainly 4 data: invoice number, salesperson name, invoice due date, invoice total, which is calculated from all of the rows. Hope you liked the demonstration. Thanks for watching. You can contact us for RPA consultation. Don't forget to subscribe or follow and press the bell button to get the latest updates from Sunflower Lab.